How to use Filto templates for quick video editing. First of all, open the Filto app. Once you are in, you will see several templates displayed on the home screen. Scroll down to explore a variety of pre-designed video templates. Browse through the available options and select a template that matches the style or mood you want for your video. Filto offers templates for aesthetic edits, trendy reels, retro looks, travel vibes, and more. After choosing a template, the app will ask you to select media from your gallery that fits into the template structure. Filto will then automatically apply all the necessary edits, filters, effects, music, and transitions based on the selected template, which helps save a lot of time and effort. You can preview the video and make small adjustments if needed, like changing the text, tweaking the filter intensity, or adjusting the music volume to better match your personal style. This makes it very easy to create high-quality, stylish videos without having to do everything manually. Once you are satisfied with your video, tap the Save button to export it in high quality, ready to be shared anywhere you like. Now you know how to use Filto templates for quick video editing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.